Ran through the air. The little sister, she ran again, just like she ran before. Spread out her wings, flapped them, and there she was. And that little brother, yeah! He just took off, flying again, on their way home. One of these mornings, I'm gonna wake up. There was a soaring through the air, but it was something inside that brother that made him think he couldn't leave his brother down there on the ground. He tilted his wings. He turned his body around. He went down to the ground and stuck out his little talon. He grabbed his little brother by the chest. Flapping his wings, he began to soar up in the air. He pulled back and he flung his brother up in the air. He said, "You spread your wings. You learn to fly or die, try it." His little brother was just tumbling all up in the air, all kind of funny ways, and then it started to come down. And he said, "Whoa!" He flapped his wings. He flapped his wings, and he flapped his wings, and he flapped his wings. One of these mornings, I'm gonna wake up. I'll fly away home. You gotta want to try. If you don't try, there's nothing that anybody can do to help you. Oh, clap your hands, everybody.